Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lonnie Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
More birthdays to come. Palakas ka palagi. Gagala pa tayo ng gagala.
Ingat lagi. God bless.
God bless.
Hi Nene, happy birthday. Sana marami ka pang birthday na i-celebrate. Enjoy your day. Bawal magkasakit. Lagi kang mag-iingat, okay? Para pag uwi ko, lagi tayong masaya. Happy birthday uli. I love you.
Hi Tita Nene, happy birthday po. Ingat po palagi and more birthdays to come. See you soon po.
Hi po, Kanene. Have a great day po. And a happy birthday. Long and peaceful life. And lagi po kayong mag-iingat. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Tita Nene. Ang wish ko po sa inyo ay continued good health for you and for the family. More happiness and also more birthdays to come. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday po, Kanene. Wishing you good health and more blessings po. Enjoy your birthday celebrations po, Kanene. From the Santiago Sisters po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kanine. We love you.
Ako po ay bumabati ng taos puso sa aking ina na si Leonora de Belen ng maligayang kaarawan po sa inyong lahat. Sana po ay nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. Maligayang kaarawan po, Mami.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating pa kaulit kayo dito. Pagdating ng panahon, makapasyal ulit kayo ng New Zealand para naman continuous ang happening natin. Happy birthday po sa inyo lahat and more birthday to come.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo, Kanene, at sa inyong buong pamilya. Dito kami mag-asawa, bumabati po sa inyo ng happy
70th birthday po sa inyo.
Sana po, umaba po ang inyong buhay para sa ganoon, makita pa ninyo at malagaan pa ninyo ang inyong magiging maraming apo. Muli po, magandang araw po sa inyo.
Thank you po, Lola, for taking care of us po. And happy birthday po in your 70th birthday po. We love you po.
Hi Lola, I still remember when you took care of me po and you let me feel your unconditional love. So, as my sister and also my cousins, thank you for taking care of us po and thank you for letting us feel your unconditional love. And I hope you enjoy your celebration po. Happy 70th birthday po. We love you po.
Happy birthday po, Lola Mamita.
Love you po so much.
Happy birthday po, Ma.
Happy 70th birthday, Ma. Lagi po naming panalangin. Nabigyan ka pa ng buhay at lakas. Higit sa lahat, makapaglingkod pa sa Panginoong Diyos. Mula sa aming lahat na narito,
Happy birthday po! Happy birthday po,
birthday po, ma'am.
Happy birthday, Mamita. We love you so much. Happy birthday! Parang pare-pareho tayong puro happy birthday, happy birthday.